Alright, this is a 16-inch barrel with no muzzle device. You can go ahead and go. So this is the A2 muzzle device with a 16-inch barrel. Okay, go ahead and go. Alright, this is the White Sound muzzle device with a 16-inch barrel. Go. Alright, this is the 11.5-inch barrel with no muzzle device at all. Go. Wow, that was amazing. Alright, this is the A2 flash suppressor with an 11.5-inch barrel. Go. Okay. Alright, this is the White Sound muzzle device with an 11.5-inch barrel. Go. Wow, what a difference.